The Chan family has recently moved to Alberta and are looking to rent their first home. They have already visited several other properties listed on rental websites and have chosen one that suits their family's needs best.
This unit is nice, clean and bright, and actually that has more nearby with grocery store and doctor's clinic and even a very good coffee shop. Hey John, do you like it?
Oh yes, I do. Yeah, the neighbor's nice and the location is great and it's close to train station, so that I'm easy to get to work.
But the sad thing is, the landlord won't allow us to have any pets in the apartment.
Come on, yeah. At least he's giving us a free parking stall so that we can look for a new car soon.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Okay, that's great. Let's hurry up.
Yeah, it's good.
Mr. and Mrs. Chan,
Hi.
good to see you.
Yeah, how are you doing?
Good, yeah, please come in.
Thank you. How are you doing?
Good. Glad to know you like my apartment.
Yes, it's great.
Let's do a final inspection before we sit down and review the contract.
Oh no, it's okay. We trust you.
Well, actually, we're required to inspect the unit with our renters to note the condition of anything and any existing damage. You know you'll be charged for any damage that isn't noted in the original final inspection.
Oh,
so
okay.
Please take a minute to look around and check things out.
Okay.
Okay, so any issues?
Yeah, everything seems to be good. Yeah, but only two minor problems.
Oh.
Yeah, one is the tap of the kitchen is dripping. Yeah, and also the toilet of the master bedroom is flushing but not very well.
Okay.
So would you mind fixing them before we move in?
No problem. I can have those looked at tomorrow at the latest.
Okay, great. Yeah, thank you so much.
Okay, well, if there's nothing else, just have a look at this inspection report.
Okay,
And if it looks okay, I just need your signature there.
okay, sure.
Hey Tim, this is the documents you request, our bank statements and the references.
Let's have a quick look. That looks great. Okay, this looks fantastic. Well, if that looks all right to you, let's go over the rental agreement together.
Okay, good.
A rental contract is to be signed by both the landlord and the renter, also known as the tenant, before the tenant moves in. This contract should include the following information: monthly rental amount, length of the lease, contract term, periodic or fixed, meaning monthly or yearly, what utilities, water, gas, electricity are included, whether parking space is included, and any other special provisions. Be sure to read the fine print and understand all the terms before signing. Also, be sure to obtain a copy of the signed inspection report and rental contract.
Are there any questions?
No, yeah, actually you explained very clearly.
Great. Then I just need your signature here,
Okay.
and I'll need a security deposit of 1 month's rent.
Okay, here is the check.
Okay, great. Fantastic. Well, I will sign this, and I'll give you the keys.
Yes, great.
Yeah, and you can
Great.
move in anytime you like.
Thank you very much, Tim.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Moving into a new home is exciting. Here are a few smart tips. The landlord must give 24 hours written notice prior to entering a tenant's suite to carry out repairs, or inspect the unit, or show the unit to other prospective renters. Landlords cannot increase rent until a minimum of 1 year has passed since the start of tenancy or the last rent increase. Some of your responsibilities as a tenant include paying the rent in full on time, keeping the rental premises clean and in good condition, being considerate of the landlord and other tenants. Being well informed about correct renting practices is the first step to happy renting.